Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. If we see the rainfall activity during past 24 hours, then the very heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over some Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Northeast Madhya Pradesh and East Uttar Pradesh during past 24 hours. And heavy rainfall was also reported at isolated places over Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Uttarakhand, West Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So here are some stations are given where the rainfall of amount 7 centimeter or more has been reported. Like Prayagraj reported 17 centimeter rainfall, Chitrakoot reported 16 centimeter rainfall, Cherrapunji 15, Pratapgarh 14 centimeter rainfall, and likewise. If we see the today's main synoptic feature, then today the western parts of the monsoon trough is running slightly north of its normal position and eastern parts is close to the foothills of Himalayas. There is a cyclonic circulation over southwest Rajasthan and there is another cyclonic circulation which lies over the Bihar and adjoining East UP which extends up to mid-tropospheric levels, and a north-south trough is also running from Bihar to north coastal Andhra Pradesh across Jharkhand and interior Odisha. In the right-hand side, this is the satellite picture of cloud convection over Indian region. So it is very clearly visible that today we have a very intense convection over northeast MP and adjoining southeast Uttar Pradesh and adjoining Bihar. And there is a moderate to intense convection over Assam and Meghalaya. And there is a moderate convection over the sub Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, parts of Jharkhand, and some parts of the South Peninsular India. And there is a light to moderate convection over parts of Central India. If we see the weather warning for the next 24 hours, then there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya on 11th of August, and there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over Bihar and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and at one or two places over Odisha and over Kerala and interior Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. There will be the thunder and lightning activity at isolated places over Jammu Division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, East UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, some Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. If we see the sea area warning, then there will be the strong wind of a speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph, very likely over southwest and west central Arabian Sea, and there will be the squally weather with the wind speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph, gusting to 70 kmph, very likely over south east Bay of Bengal, South Andaman Sea. So the fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. If we see the weather warning for the next 5 days, so there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya for the next 3 days, and there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura during next 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, the rainfall activity will slightly decrease over northeast India. If we look into the western Himalayan region, then there will be the isolated to scattered rainfall over western Himalayan regions, and heavy rainfall will also be there over Uttarakhand during next 5 days, over Himachal Pradesh, particularly during 12th, 13th, and 14th of August, and rainfall activity will slightly enhance over the western Himalayan region from 14th August onwards. If we look into the East India, then there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall over Bihar, particularly over North Bihar during next 3 days. There will be the heavy rainfall over East Uttar Pradesh for the next 4 days, and there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over parts of Jharkhand, at one or two places over Odisha, parts of northeast Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh region for the during next 2 to 3 days. And after 13th of August, there will be the slightly decrease in rainfall activity over parts of east and adjoining areas, East India and adjoining areas. And if we see the northwest India and adjoining West India, then there will be the subdued rainfall activity. Uh, there will not be any significant weather during next 4 to 5 days. However, the light rain at one or two places will continue over parts of northwest and adjoining central and west India for the next 5 days. If we go for the South Peninsular India, then there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu for the next 4 days and over Kerala for the next 2 days. However, except the some parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, there will not be any significant rainfall over most parts of the South Peninsular India. But there will be the enhanced rainfall activity over Peninsular India and adjoining Central and adjoining East India from 17th of August and onwards. Since there will be the very heavy rainfall over Bihar, Northeast Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, and Assam and Meghalaya. So, because of very heavy rainfall, there can be the localized flooding. There can be the waterlogging in the low-lying areas. There will be the partial damage to vulnerable structure. Visibility can be reduced. So will be the traffic disruptions, and there can also be uh, there can also be some damage to Kacha roads and Kacha house over those areas, particularly over the East UP, Bihar, and Assam and Meghalaya for the next 3 days. So people are advised to take precautions, and thank you.